Hey, it's Gina with WTI. It's a little embarrassing to admit, but I have finally gotten to that age where I'm having trouble seeing things close up. If I'm going to have that issue, then I want to look as cute as possible when I have to put on a pair of reading glasses. I think that these cat's eye glasses from MWOW, or as I want to call them, Meow, are so adorable, and it doesn't make me feel bad at all to put them on so that I can see that fine print. I have a smaller face and generally have to wear small frames or even child-size frames. These are a little oversized, but I don't mind that at all. I think it makes it look really cute, and actually they fit me really well. I got the two pair. One is classic black, and then the other is tortoiseshell on the bottom, and then it morphs into black on the top. And I think they're both really pretty and diverse colors, so they can go with a lot of different outfits. I just got the 1.0 strength because I'm struggling when I have my contacts on to be able to see fine print or to thread a needle. I do a lot of sewing and other crafts where I need to see up close. And if I don't have a pair of readers on, I'm not going to be able to do it. You might as well embrace the fact that you need readers, go with ones that are really cute, and that's my point of view.